Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. In this video, we will show you how to add text to any photo using nothing but the built-in tools on your iPhone. You don't need to download any third-party apps as this feature is built right into the Photos app, and I will walk you through it step by step. Start by opening the Photos app and selecting the image that you want to add text to. This could be anything, a landscape shot, a picture of your pet, or even a screenshot. Once you have opened the photo, tap the Edit button from the bottom of the screen. This opens up your iPhone's built-in editing tools. Next, you have to tap on the markup icon from the top right corner. It looks like a little pen inside a circle. Now tap on the plus button and choose the Add Text option. A text box will pop up in the center of the image. This is where we start customizing. Double tap the text box and type whatever you want, a caption, a quote, or maybe just a label. You can write anything you want. You can make your text stand out by customizing it. Tap double A to change the font style, text size, and alignment. You will also see options to bold or underline your text. And don't forget the color tool. Use it to match your text with the photo's theme or your personal brand. You can also move it around by simply dragging it anywhere on the photo. Once you're happy with how it looks, just tap on Done and then tap on the Done button again. Your photo, now with your custom text, is saved and ready to share. While you are in the markup tool, feel free to explore other options too, like drawing, adding shapes, or even signing your name. And there you go, a simple way to add custom text to your iPhone photos without any extra apps. Perfect for stories, reels, or just making your photos pop. If this tutorial helped you out, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks right here on iOS Hacker. Drop a comment if you have any questions or would like us to cover more editing features, and I will see you in the next video.